going to start getting a little bit more technical now. We're going to look at how we use the prescription or fluid charts to create scenarios. So if you go to the templates page within the website, which can be found from the sidebar, this is the sidebar here, and I'll bring you to templates page. We're going to think about writing a prescribed station for anaesthetics. So I've already shown you in a couple of other videos how you could create a new scenario within the table within, for example, anaesthetics. And you can see here I've created a candidate sheet, patient sheet, mark sheet. They're red because they haven't been created yet. And here I've given them a code, anaesthetic prescribing 1, so they're distinctly different from other scenarios. So we're going to do the candidate sheet in, let's do that first. So we click on anaesthetic prescribing and we're going to go up to here. Okay. I don't know why, I just have the habit of opening it up in a new link, so I can come back to it in a second. Open that up, and then click Edit. Now you can see already in this template that there's a prescription chart in the corner. I've downloaded that all into the website. Okay, so all this code here is basically giving students the link to get a blank prescription chart so that they can copy it out. That comes at the top of the page, and then you can see, like any other template, it gives an opportunity for you to type in the task, etc. So if you select all of that, right click, click on copy, go into your candidate page that you've created. Okay, so we're now anaesthetic prescribing 1, paste that in, okay, and like I say, all that code is already pre-written with links into the files that I've downloaded into the website. So nothing you need to do there. And we'll maybe call this, give it a new title and just change all the text within it and write your case. Okay, anaesthetic prescribing. When you then click save page, having taken that from the template, okay, you'll see, okay, that now we've got all the bits that you filled in, but because that code was at the top of the page, it's put the prescription chart over onto the right hand side. If the student clicks on that, it'll just nicely open up the PDF of the prescription chart for them just to print off so they can do the scenario. Okay, so let's get rid of that and get back to the anaesthetic page. So you can see now it's gone blue because we've created that page. We now need to think about the mark sheet, and the mark sheet is where you're going to actually have to fill in the prescription chart yourself and make sure that it's correct. Okay, so going back to templates, you'll see over here it says PowerPoint file with a quotation completed prescription chart. Okay, if you click on the link there, it'll ask you to save it's a PowerPoint file. Okay, and you'll save it somewhere within your computer. Okay, so save that somewhere, and then obviously, open it up. Whether you're using Mac or PC, it doesn't really matter. And then you'll get into your PowerPoint, and it'll look like this. Now, I'm not suggesting your patient should be called James Boyd and have this date of birth, but I've just created all the text box that you can just go in and change the name. So we can change it to be Jack Boyle instead, change his date of birth, etc. Make it the age of the patient you're wanting. You're going to write up the medication you need. It may be a regular medicine, which is here. Okay, it may be a one-off. For example, if it's an anaesthetic, generally it'll go on off a one-off medicine here. Now, if you're not going to use the bits that are filled in here, because you're not going to do regular medicine, before you save it, just make sure that you delete that because you're not going to use it. You're going to change this to propofol or something like that. That's appropriate. Obviously, you do it in capitals because it's a prescription. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we need to save it so a student can use it. So click on File, Save As. Okay. We're going to go to wherever you choose to save it in your computer. It doesn't really matter. Okay. I'm going to have to create a new folder here. Aesthetics. Now, we can save it as a PowerPoint so we have it for the future, and I would recommend you do that in case you want to modify it. So let's do that. Okay, we're then going to resave it. Okay, and we're going to save it as a PDF. Okay, By saving it as a PDF, it then means that students can see it in a nice clear format when you come to upload it. Now there's another video that I've already shown how to upload PDF files. I'm not going to do that again now. Okay, we're going to go into the prescribing skills mark template here. Click on that. And you can see here, this is a template for prescribing skills mark sheet. Okay, with all the scores here. But on the right is this image and completed chart, so students know that they can go open it up, okay, and see what a prescription chart looks like. Okay, the link's not working there because this is just a template. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on edit, create a template here, copy all of that, okay. Go back to your scenario, so we're doing a pre-medication prescription. Going to go to our mark sheet, which is red, so it'll automatically create the new page. And then just paste it. Okay. Now you're going to have to, like usual, change all your mark sheet and give things scores and explain to the student why they get certain marks. But here at the top is the code related to that picture. So it says file completed prescription chart thumb. That's just a picture that says completed on it. The fact that it's 0.7 just means it's a bit smaller, because 1 would be in its full size right, just means the image goes onto the right side. But what you're going to have to do is create a link to the PDF file that you've uploaded. Okay, now that's actually quite complicated, so actually let's upload that prescription chart that we have made so we can see how that's done. So click on upload. Choose file. Okay, so we're in Mokoski, files for cases, anaesthetics. We want the PDF file, which is here. Click on open, comes here, and save it. Now I found that the best way to get students to get a really quick view on the file that you want is to link it to the website rather than to the file. So here it says complete prescription. Click on it. Okay, you can see you're going to get a full page PDF view of the completed charts. Now, Jack Boyle, we got rid of the amoxicillin. Come down here and it says propofol. Click the whole website. Okay, copy. Come back into your template for the prescription chart. Okay, you see here it says link. Put link into completed and upload a PDF here. .pdf. Okay, get rid of all that. Paste it in. Okay, you can see it ends in PDF. We've got a web link. Blah, blah, blah. You're going to fill in all your gaps for the bits that you've done. Okay, and then click save. And what will happen now, as you can see, we've got blah, blah, blah up here, which is the title, where it says completed chart. If the student clicks on that, it's going to come to Jack Boyle's drug chart and they can see exactly how they're supposed to prescribe. So that's how it's done. A little bit more complicated, okay, but this is really valuable for students to be able to see what the correct prescription should look like. Good luck.